Thanks for tuning in. I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about what property insurance you need as a mission-sending organization. Let me go ahead and jump right in. If you own a building, you need to insure the building, and you need to think about how to insure it properly. The best way to insure it is for replacement cost, which would be the amount of money that you need to rebuild it. The next thing to think about would be your inventory. And every mission-sending organization is a little bit different. The most common things you'll need to think about are desks, chairs, computer equipment. But some mission-sending organizations will send hygiene products overseas, or they'll send solar panels, or they'll send medical equipment. So it's important to think about what type of inventory you have on hand that you need to insure. The next thing to think about would be crime insurance, which protects you for employee dishonesty, some employee or volunteer stealing something from the organization. And after that, you got to think about business income and extra expense, which is if there's a fire in your warehouse, you may need to rent another warehouse. You may have additional utilities or overtime or additional costs to keep your operation going at the same speed. Now, one thing that's unique about mission-sending organizations is that your work is not limited to the United States. So when you have property outside the United States, it's important to think about that as well, but also think about the jurisdictions that you're in. Every country operates differently and has different compliance issues. So make sure that you're aware of the compliance issues for the country that you're in so that if you need to buy insurance inside that country, that you're doing so. I hope this was helpful. Talk through some of the property issues that you need to think about as a mission-sending organization. And if any of this has you asking questions about the insurance or that you need, or the program you have, or the relationship you have with your broker, please reach out to us at BitnerHenryInsurance.com and request a quote. I'm Daryl Henry with Bitner Henry Insurance, and we serve those who serve others.